Well, for information, we say all is not quite well. Kumasi Asante Kotoko camp concerning internal issues be a so our club or and penny for a contemplating sacking of Kumasi Asante Kotoko team boss no driver no your friend of Baba over some issues be a crop up now. We know I think that penny for the best thing to do is to resolve the matter. Second, it is going to be so harsh on Baba, looking at over the years how our servo Kotoko since 2017, yes, and Baba taking charge. Issues no yebekum nsemo ho pacho unsubscribe ya no hit the red subscribe button na wabo adomano so information we are papa follow social media handles no so Facebook no super 24 TV, Instagram no Kumase blogman, and TikTok blogman 24 na indika subo Baba issue no didn't before o my dreams on come sake no and answer still na the decision has been quite tempered, but I think say before consider say o may resolve the issue no na bibia I fine elsewhere. Ghana Black Stars coach Otuado say the BBA kyerɛ sɛ by Friday there na confirmation no aba to Ghana for nyina say the next Black Stars coach no Otuado na deep throat source kakra say can say or say empanyefo backroom staff or ho say no ompemu bia enti de wo hono no oba no de ne de ne beba. And the GFA president, it is reported to have said, say, or no, or per coach Otuado because or a disciplinarian, Ubia, yes, and I know, obey me, I control players, no, kakra, and as obey me, control players, no. But enough of that, let's move into Baba. Kotoko driver, no, Baba, and that screen, so no, yes, with Sasu Dankwa. Na, Baba issue, no, the woman say. Coach Prosper Ogum, the technical team, the IMC, the playing body, now say, for feel say there are issues via Kotoko Semono, among full key, Emma, some media friends, Kumasi radio, so near the other. Now, among for began to point fingers at Baba, say, Baba, any who be send you or a comedian. Baba the driver and the co-party and also crying fully established. I don't know ma mpanyifo agency come sacking on, but issue no assets now no omun take a firm decision on, and I believe that mpanyifo still na consider say ombe resolve issue na bibia akoda second year. To be real honest, be too harsh enya dia yehian at this material moment kra e china crop ya ne Accra Lions Baba Yara yinhia